Astronomers discovered in October 2017 a new phenomenon, an interstellar object traversing the solar system. They named it Oumuamua, which in Hawaiian means messenger or scout. Since then, it has been the subject of intense scientific speculation and debate. Its trajectory, its elongated shape, and inexplicable behaviors made it one of the greatest enigmas of modern astronomy. Now, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we have the first ever image of this alien from another galaxy. Oumuamua looked like nothing we'd ever seen before because, unlike comets, it had no visible tail and no signs of outgassing. In contrast to asteroids, its acceleration away from the Sun could not be explained by known forces or gravity. Since its discovery, hypotheses have been put forward, ranging from fragments of hydrogen ice to the possibility it is a spacecraft created by a sophisticated civilization. But no answer had been conclusive until now. Launched in December 2021, the James Webb Telescope is designed to solve the deepest mysteries of the universe. Its capacity to observe the infrared spectrum allows it to capture details impossible for other telescopes. When Webb turned its gaze toward Oumuamua, now much farther from our solar system, it captured something extraordinary, the first genuine image of this mysterious interstellar object. The image from Webb has confirmed what could only be speculated before. Oumuamua has an elongated and asymmetrical shape with a surface marked by grooves and craters, indicators of billions of years traveling through interstellar space. But what is most surprising is the composition of its surface. Complex elements and organic compounds not prevalent throughout our solar system. This, of course, suggests that Oumuamua originated in a cosmic setting very different from our own. One of the biggest enigmas of Oumuamua has been its abnormally fast rate as it leaves our solar system. Webb's observations have ruled out outgassing but have raised new possibilities. One intriguing theory is that the acceleration may be brought on by an exotic mechanism, such as a light sail, a hypothetical technology that uses the pressure of light to move through space. Thanks to the James Webb Telescope's capacity to analyze light from Oumuamua's reflection, scientists have managed to unravel the composition of its exterior. The data show a mixture of metallic and mineral compounds unknown in the solar system, along with traces of elements that could form organic molecules. One of the most intriguing results is the existence of a highly reflective material that could provide an explanation for its unusual brightness, in addition to compounds that suggest that Oumuamua may have formed in a dynamic, young star system. These discoveries provide crucial hints regarding the processes taking place in regions of the universe where matter is organized in completely different ways than in our cosmic neighborhood. One of the most recent theories suggests that Oumuamua could be a fragment of a planet smashed up by strong gravitational forces. These forces, brought on by a huge star or a nearby black hole, could have stretched and torn the planet apart, forming objects with unusual shapes. If this theory is correct, Oumuamua would be a survivor of a catastrophic event, carrying with it the history of a lost world. Consequently, it opens a new window to study how a star system evolves and alters over time and how disastrous events can give rise to objects that end up traversing the galaxy. The organic compounds found on Oumuamua's surface have sparked speculation regarding its function as a carrier of the building blocks of life in a universe full of possibilities. Could Oumuamua be a natural vehicle for distributing these molecules to other star systems? This phenomenon, known as interstellar panspermia, raises the possibility that objects like Oumuamua play a key role in spreading the ingredients necessary for life in every galaxy. Not only does this redefine our understanding of the universe, but it also makes us wonder whether our own existence could be related to similar occurrences in Earth's past. Oumuamua is more than an interstellar object. It is a time capsule that carries stories of cosmic events that took place billions of years ago. Its study not only teaches us about where it came from, but also how star systems interact and evolve in the galaxy. Additionally, Oumuamua's analysis establishes the foundation for missions designed to intercept and study these interstellar travelers, offering a new perspective on the dynamics of the galaxy. This discovery is a reminder that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be found, and Oumuamua is only the beginning. It has not only challenged our scientific theories, but also our perception of our place in the universe. We are reminded of our status as a small part of a vast and immense cosmos where such events take place continuously, even far beyond our sight. If this object has an artificial origin, it could be the first indirect contact with extraterrestrial intelligence, a possibility that would transform our understanding of life and intelligence and all of existence. Oumuamua has inspired, of course, a new generation of scientists and engineers to think outside the box of our solar system. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot, which seeks to develop probes capable of traveling at relativistic speeds, mark the commencement of an interstellar era of exploration. These future missions could not only intercept objects like Oumuamua, but also explore their characteristics in detail, helping us understand and answer questions that are still unsolved. With each discovery, we move toward a future where humanity could not only observe the universe, but also interact with it in ways that we can now only imagine. Oumuamua, the interstellar messenger, is much more than an object that traversed the solar system. It is an open door to a universe full of possibilities and mysteries. These discoveries have transformed astronomy, inspiring questions about our origins, our place in the cosmos, and our future. Thanks to the James Webb Telescope, we have taken another step forward in comprehending what it entails to be part of such a vast and complex universe. Oumuamua is a reminder that, although we are small, our curiosity and desire to explore the universe make us great. It invites us to dream, and Oumuamua is just
the beginning of it. What other secrets await us out there? Only time and our tireless pursuit of knowledge will tell us. Now, leave us your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think Oumuamua is really enlightening us about? If you want to continue exploring the mysteries of the cosmos, remember to sign up for the channel and activate the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. The discovery of Oumuamua has not only opened a new chapter in observational astronomy, but has also challenged long-held assumptions about the boundaries of our solar system. Traditionally, astronomers believed that interstellar space, the region between stars, was inhospitable and too vast to allow for the frequent passage of
solid objects. Oumuamua changed that perspective forever. Since its passage, scientists have intensified efforts to detect similar objects. New initiatives, such as the Vera C. Rubin Observatory's Legacy Survey of Space and Time LSST, aim to identify fast-moving interstellar objects entering the solar system, giving humanity a chance to closely observe them or even intercept them with spacecraft. With this growing capability, Oumuamua may be remembered not just as a mystery, but as the first of many such messengers from beyond. The implications extend far beyond astronomy. The chemical compounds detected on Oumuamua's surface suggest that life's essential ingredients, organic molecules, can form in a variety of cosmic environments. This supports one of the most important concepts in science, that life may not be unique to Earth. If objects like Oumuamua travel between star systems carrying complex molecules, the seeds of life might be sown far and wide across the galaxy. Some researchers even speculate about technosignatures, indications of advanced technology that might be observable in future interstellar visitors. If an object shows characteristics inconsistent with natural formation, such as precise geometric shapes, non-gravitational propulsion, or unusual materials, it might usher in a new age in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Yet, for all its scientific value, Oumuamua also touches something deeper: our imagination. It reminds us of how little we truly know about the universe and how every discovery, no matter how strange, pushes the boundary of what we consider possible. In response to this mystery, several space organizations, both public and private, have begun planning missions that could one day catch up with or intercept interstellar objects. Projects such as the proposed Lyra, a creation of the Initiative for Interstellar Studies, are exploring the use of solar sails or high-velocity propulsion to pursue Oumuamua or its heirs into faraway space. These missions may make it possible for us to study the direct composition of such objects, perhaps even retrieve samples. A sample return mission to an interstellar object would represent one of the most ambitious endeavors in human history, giving us physical evidence from another star system and potentially rewriting everything we know about the formation of planets, stars, and even life. Moreover, Oumuamua's legacy may influence how we design future telescopes. Instruments optimized for tracking high-speed transient objects could become standard in the coming decades. Not only would these enhancements help us detect interstellar visitors more effectively, but they would also enhance our planetary defense capabilities. In many ways, Oumuamua is a cosmic invitation, an opportunity for humanity to look beyond its own celestial backyard and embrace the reality that we are part of a much larger, more active, and connected universe. This is not just a rock or a spacecraft. It's a symbol of exploration, of mystery, and of the endless questions that still await us among the stars.